Welcome to the project demonstration of food serving and cleaning robots for restaurants. So the main application of this project is the system will stay from the kitchen section and the user can order their food from the web page or in some other transmission way. And once the food was ordered in the kitchen section, the person will place the food inside this box and he or she has to select the table number. So here for demonstration we kept 5 tables, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After we select the table number, then it will check with the food was placed in the box or not. Once the detection was successfully done, then it will close the lid and it will start moving towards the table number automatically, and the distance was fixed and that will be traveled and detected by this DC motors. Along with we have attached the 2 encoders, the front side 2 DC motors and back side 2 DC motors. Totally it was a 4-wheel driving robot. And once the system moving towards the respected table, then if is there any obstacle detected, then it stops its movement and provides us the voice alerts, means please move ahead. And once it reaches the table, then it will announce the voice of like collect the food and it will open the door. So once the customer collect his food, then the door will be closed. Then again it will goes to the home position, nothing but kitchen section. So this is the serving feature of this robot. And after that, cleaning feature. So once everything was done, end of the day, so if you want to clean the restaurant from the table to table, then we need to select C option, that is for cleaning option. Then the system will travel from home to the till the 5th table one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then the system will on the vacuum for the vacuum cleaning purpose, and next mopping for dry cleaning purpose, and then after automatically parallelly this sanitation also will be on. So means 3 features: vacuum, mopping and sanitization. This is from kitchen section till the table 5. So parallelly, so here we are representing this kitchen section for example, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like that. So it will move from kitchen section to the 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5th table. So once it reaches the 5th table, then it will back to the 1 position again, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But then this vacuum, sanitization and will this mopping will be off. And the next, this fragrance will get switched on. It will provide the fragrance from table 5 to home position, means home to table 5 cleaning and table 5 to home fragrance will be on. So this is all about the features of this project. And to execute these features, the major component is we are using Raspberry Pi 3 B+, which is continuously get reading from the keypad and ultrasonic sensor. Based on these 2 input, the system will control the servo motor. And one more thing is IR sensor for detection of the food plates inside this. And the next, controlling the 4 DC motors by using this L298 motor driver, means is the IR sensor 1 out inputs and keypad and ultrasonic sensor. These 3 are the main inputs, and output is 4 DC motors through this L293D motor driver and a servo motor for lid controlling. And next, these are the relays. 2 relays are used to control these 3 outputs, and these 2 relays are used to control the 1 relay for the fragrance and another relay for this sanitization. These 2 relays for the vacuum and mopping of this whole system. And the next is the coming to the remaining other components. So we are using this nano board which is used to control the 4 DC motors and the next 4 relays. So this is the output module, as the whole total inputs are connected to the Raspberry Pi. And the next component is this breadboard. So this is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply. So the whole system getting power supply from this 12 volt 3 amp battery pack for movement and power supply to the main processor and our Arduino board. And next, this 12 volt 1 amp is a separate power supply for this vacuum and mopping purpose. And this 12 volts DC is the input to the LM2596 voltage regulator. We are using the LM2596 voltage regulator, which will take 12 volts DC input and provide us a 5 volts DC output. That output DC is connected to the this breadboard, and from there we are distributing it throughout the Raspberry Pi and other electronic major components. And next, L298 motor driver will get the 12 volts DC directly here, and that is the operating voltage of our DC motors. And these are the two relays as we discussed clearly. And these green color boards here and here is for the fog mist maker IC purpose, and this one is the boost converter as the UV light. Sorry, we forgot about this UV light. So there we attach the UV light also, so you can see this. So this is the UV light. So the UV light needs the 24 volts. So for that purpose we are using this boost converter, which will boost up the 12 volts DC to 24 volts of DC. And the speaker outputs, whenever the system prompt the voice messages like obstacle detected and please place the food and collect the food, like this will be announced through the speaker by using this Raspberry Pi 3 B+. And the status continuously monitored on the 16:2 LCD screen, like distance and what's the operation is execution. Instructions are executed, that will be displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen. So these are the main input output connections and components of the project. So before demonstration, the very first step is we need to keep the battery under charging. These two batteries parallelly charged with the help of these two charging circuits. This one for this battery pack and this one for this battery pack. So one transformer is enough. Just connect that as is shown in the video, and after that we can on the power supply to the transformer. And these two LEDs will show the status of the battery charging. So we need to keep the battery charging at least of 3 to 4 hours. Till the duration, keep the battery under charging for flawless output directly. So that's a very first step. And next, you can disconnect the transformer and let us place it on the floor for demonstration purpose. Right, okay, so let us place on this one because it will take 20 to 30 seconds of duration for login to the operating system which we have loaded inside this Raspberry Pi. That memory card consists of the Raspbian OS. So this is the main on off switch. Okay, right, okay, right. So once the booting successfully done to the memory card, then the system will announce the voice of welcome message. Right, the welcome message got announced, and you can see on the LCD the obstacle distance. So you can see that.
Ahead. Please clear the path.
Right. So if an obstacle is there in front of the robot, the system, if it is obstacle distance is less than 25 centimeters,
ahead.
Then it will announce the voice. So let us place this on the floor. Right. So once we place on the floor, so without any food inside that, now we need to select the table.
Route 1 selected. Delivery starting. Waiting for infrared detection.
So waiting for infrared detection. So once we place that,
for infrared detection.
Then as we selected the table 1, so we demonstrated this is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right. Now 1 selected.
Destination reached.
Right. So destination reached.
Please collect your delivery.
Right.
Delivery completed.
Right. And after reaching the home starting point, again turn back. Right. Now right. So it's come to the initial position. Now select the 5th table.
Route 5 selected.
Route 5 selected.
Delivery starting. Waiting for infrared detection.
So waiting for infrared detection.
Waiting for infrared detection.
So once we place the food item inside that robot, and it start moving towards the route number 5. So the first junction and the second junction. So we kept the distance of 1 feet for each route and from the junction to their one.
Door open. Please collect your delivery.
So door open. Please collect the food. Till we collect the food, the robot stays at the point only, means near the table. So once we collect the food, then
Delivery completed.
then it goes to the initial position. So attention 1. Right. Okay. Again, we'll reach the kitchen pots and waiting for the next input. Right. Thank you. Now let us check with the cleaning parts.
Pot ready. Cleaning mode activated. Robot moving for cleaning. Task completed. Returned home. Robot ready for next task.